In this video, you'll learn how to add a slider in Webflow. By following these steps, you will successfully integrate a slider component into your website, enhancing its visual appeal and interactivity. Start by navigating to Webflow's Shangri-La's wondrous site. Once you arrive at the home page, you'll be greeted with the main interface where various design options are available to you. Ensure that you are logged into your account to access all features. Next, locate the Elements panel on the left side of the screen. This panel contains a variety of components that you can add to your project. Clicking on Elements will expand the panel, revealing a list of options for different elements, including sliders. Once the Elements panel is open, type slider into the search bar at the top of the panel. This action will filter the components, allowing you to quickly find the slider element. The search results will display the slider option prominently. After identifying the slider, click on it. Doing so will add the slider component to your current page. You can recognize that the slider has been added when you see a new placeholder appear on your canvas, indicating where the slider will be. Now click on the Assets tab located in the left sidebar. This area contains all the images and files you have uploaded for your project. Ensure you have the images ready that you want to include in your slider. Next, select an image from your assets. Click on the desired image and drag it directly into the slider area on your canvas. You will notice that the slider now contains the image you just added, enhancing its content. Once the first image is in place, repeat the process for a second image in your assets and drag it into the slider. This action should be smooth, and you will see the second image populate the slider immediately. After adding the second image, you may want to configure your slider settings. Click on the slider itself, and then you can adjust various settings such as transition effects and timing. This customization allows you to tailor the slider to better suit your design needs. Finally, ensure that you save your changes. You can do this by clicking the Save button located at the top right corner of the interface. Saving your work regular is crucial to prevent any loss of progress. After saving, you can preview your site to see the slider in action. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.